Hi guys! So today for our at-home math activity, I thought we could do something fun, and it's something that we've done in class with some other concepts we've learned, and it is bingo. So you can use whichever strategy that we've learnt so far for addition. So you might want to use the number line. I want to use a number line. You might want to use some Lego blocks or some loose parts to help build the addition problem. You might want to use a number bond template and use some loose parts to create the number sentence and push them up. You could use anything you like. You may even want to use a whiteboard and you can draw the problem, so you can use it however you like. What we're going to be doing is all you need for this activity is a piece of paper. Again, Miss Drought has run out of white piece of paper, so she's going to be using yellow. I do actually have, I've already made a template for rolling the dice with 2 and 3 dice and made a bingo board, which I'm going to include in the link. I'm just showing the example of how you can do it without a printer, because Miss Drought does not have a printer, so I can't even print off my own worksheet. So you can create it if you don't have a printer at home, or you can just print it off the one that I've already made. So you can decide which one you want to do. I think for most of us we will be using 2 dice. If you really want to challenge yourself and you think you're ready, I have included a 3 dice bingo page. Basically you just need 2 dice and you need the bingo page, and you either need some, if you want to reuse this and you don't want to just use it once, because if you're crossing it off you can only use it once. So I always like to get some counters and I can put something over the board, so then once I've finished I can take those counters off and use it again. Or you can slip it into a one of those sleeves where you can use a whiteboard marker and then you can rub it off. So it depends if you want to play this more than once. I would recommend putting in a sleeve or using counters just so you can use it again. So I'm going to show you how to play it, and you can play this by yourself, so you can kind of set yourself a little challenge, see how quickly you can do it, or you can play it with a sibling or parent and you can challenge them. So you can challenge them to do a row first, or do 2 rows first, and then the first person to fill the whole board up. So I'm going to show you how to play. Bye guys. Okay, so I'm going to make the board first. So depending on whether you're going to be using 2 dice or 3 dice, you can either do it from 2 to 12, write any numbers you want from 2 to 12 in the boxes for your 2 dice, 3 to 18 for your 3 dice. So I've got my 2 dice. And if you're playing someone else, they're going to need 2 dice too, or you could just swap turns if you wanted as well. So you could each have a turn. Another thing you could do is you could play with one board with somebody, and you could each have different colours. So you might have, say, yellow Lego and red yellow Lego. So you roll first. Ooh, 5 and 3. So I'm going to show you how to do this with a number line. So I'm going to find the 5 on here, and the other number tells me how many jumps I need to do. So 5 and 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. 8. So I'm going to use my yellow and pick an 8 to put it on. And so if you're playing by yourself, you go again. If you're playing with someone else, they can have a turn. 3 and 5. So you can use the number line, or you can just actually count the dots. 3 and 2. Sorry, 3 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you're playing someone else, they might want to put another colour down, or if you're playing by yourself, you just might want to put something else down. Then it can be your turn. And I've just realised I only actually brought 3 reds with me, but you understand the idea now. So see if you can get a line, or you might want to print off one each and see you can get a line first with their board. So it's really up to you how you play. that's the game, and I hope you have fun. So if you'd like to take a photo of you playing it, that would be fabulous. Bye guys!